In today's world, technology, and especially artificial intelligence, has completely changed the way we live. It's changing how we talk to each other, how we work, and how we build relationships. We're more connected than ever, but at the same time, many people are worried that this new digital age is making us less human. This project looks at this dilemma of dehumanization and rehumanization, which is a really important question as AI becomes a part of almost everything we do. One of the most important voices in this discussion is psychologist Sherry Turkle, a professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. For decades, Sherry Turkle has been studying how digital technology affects human relationships. In her famous book, Alone Together, she highlights the contradictions of our technological times. On one hand, technology seems to connect us more than ever before. Social media, smartphones, and instant messaging give us immediate ways to stay in touch. However, according to Sherry Turkle, these technologies often create an illusion of closeness that hides a much more worrying reality. Sherry Turkle says that instead of strengthening our relationships, digital technology tends to weaken them. Interactions through screens lack depth and sincerity. Online, people create perfect versions of themselves, only sharing what they want others to see. This limits real conversations and reduces communication to simple likes or short messages. Deep conversations, which are so important for building real relationships, are replaced by shallow interactions. Let's look at a real-world example of dehumanization caused by artificial intelligence. The use of chatbots in the service industry. Chatbots, which are automated conversation agents, are being used more and more by companies to handle customer requests, give suggestions, and provide technical support. While this technology definitely makes things more efficient, it raises big questions about losing real human interaction in areas that used to rely on those conversations. Companies like Sephora, for example, have started using chatbots to help their online customers, which replaces direct interaction with store employees. Even though this allows the company to answer customer questions immediately, these interactions lack genuineness and empathy. In online sales, advanced chatbots like LivePerson are handling complicated requests, which means companies need fewer call centers with human employees. Sure, this can save money and make things more efficient, but it does so at the cost of meaningful human interaction. Empathy, which is often crucial in customer service, is diminished in this kind of automation. Now, imagine someone looking for mental health support from a chatbot like Wobot. We see the person typing out their feelings, but the responses they get are scripted and automatic. Chatbots aren't just found in business settings. In more sensitive areas like mental health, tools like Wobot offer emotional support based on artificial intelligence algorithms. But here too, the limitations are obvious. While Wobot might offer helpful responses to minor emotional issues, it can't replace a human relationship with a therapist, which is built on compassion and emotional understanding. In this critical area, artificial intelligence shows its weaknesses, reducing interactions to mechanical exchanges without any real human connection. But it would be wrong to conclude that artificial intelligence only leads to dehumanization. When used well, AI has huge potential to improve our interactions and free up time for more complex human tasks. For example, in customer service, automation through chatbots allows human employees to focus on more complicated and emotional issues. Machines handle the simple tasks, which lets humans concentrate on interactions that require empathy and thought. One of the most exciting aspects of rehumanization through AI is the potential for personalization that this technology offers. Advances in natural language processing and machine learning allow chatbots to analyze user needs in real time and offer personalized responses. Some AI applications like Replica are going even further by trying to simulate human relationships. Replica is marketed as a virtual friend capable of responding emotionally and adapting its responses to the user's mood and needs. Faced with these two sides of artificial intelligence, the real challenge for the future is finding a balance between dehumanization and rehumanization. For AI to become a truly valuable tool for human interaction, its development and integration must be guided by careful ethical consideration. It's crucial that we create appropriate regulations to make sure automated systems are used to improve the quality of human interactions, not to replace them. In conclusion, the dilemma of dehumanization and rehumanization through artificial intelligence is complex, but it presents unique opportunities. On one hand, AI can automate and simplify interactions that were once full of human connection. On the other hand, when used thoughtfully, it can rehumanize these same interactions by freeing up time for deeper conversations and allowing for greater personalization. The challenge for the future will be to ensure that AI enriches our lives by making it easier to have more genuine connections. The real question is how we will use these technologies to protect what makes us human.